Hi guys, it's 10 o'clock on a Saturday morning and I'm on my morning walk and I came across this. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. Can you listen to all those grasshoppers or cicadas clicking away? How peaceful. Kind of a overcast day, so I brought my umbrella just in case it starts to rain. I'm having a little rest. I've been walking for about half an hour through the bush like this. Not through there though, that's a bit thick, and I came across this. So I just thought I'd share it with you. So have a great day guys. If I see anything else interesting, I'll film it. Bye for now.